Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Okay, so in the previous class we have completed this fill in the table in page number 25, is it? That is your homework, right? Have you all completed children? Okay, good. So again take page number 25 in your book. Page number 25. Okay, so in that page, in the top you can see 1.1.1, right? 1.1.1. Read that. The uses of numbers beyond 10,000 in real life situation. Okay, so introduction, read this. The price of a television rupees 18,500. Okay, see, in ones place we are having 0, in tens place we are having 0, in hundreds place we are having 5, thousands place we are having 8, and 1 is in 10,000s place. Okay, so 18,500. Okay children, so 18,500. Okay, and then the price of a mobile phone rupees, see, count the digits, ones, it is in ones place. Okay, and tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, so 15,250. Okay children, and then the price of a LPG cylinder is rupees 975. Okay, only it's a 3-digit number, right? So that we can read very easily, 975. Okay, and then the price of a wooden cot is, see the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay, so it is 30,000. Okay, 30,000. And then see the next one. The price of a car is, okay, see the digits, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let us say the place value. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. That is lakh, right? 100,000 means lakh, right? So 4,50,000. Okay, 4,50,000. The price of a car is 4,50,000. Okay children, and then the price of a bicycle is rupees 5,000. It is a 4-digit number, right? So 5,250. Okay, and the price of a pencil is rupees 115. Okay children, so price of various items is given in the above data. Classify the data as price more than rupees 10,000 and the price less than rupees 10,000. Okay children, so we are going to categorize into two. Okay, that is more than 10,000 and less than 10,000. Okay, okay, can we find? So 10,000 means, see how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, it is a 5-digit number. Okay children, so 10,000 means 5-digit number. Okay children, so let us find. Okay, see, count the digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, it is a 5-digit number. Okay, but it is 18,500, right? 18,500, but they had said that it is below 10,000 and more than 10,000, is it? It is more than 10,000, it is less than 10,000. So 18,500, is it less than or greater than 10,000? 18,500 and 10,000. Which is greater? So which is greater? So see the first one. In 10,000 place we are having 1 and here in 10,000 place we are having 1. Okay, so that both the 10,000 place are equal. And see the next digit, here we are having 8 and here we are having 0. So which one is greater? This one is greater, is it children? So that it is more than 10,000. So that we need to write in this place. Okay, more than 10,000. So 18,000, 18500. Okay, 18500. Okay children, so let us see the next one. The price of the mobile phone, see, 15,250. Let us check, okay, 15,250. 15,250 and 10,000. Now say which is greater? See the 10,000's place, here we are having 1 and here also we are having 1. So both are equal. And see the next thousands place, here we are having 5 and here we are having 0. So which one is greater? 5 is greater, right? 5 is greater comparing to 0. So children, so that this one is greater. So that we can write it is more than 10,000. Okay, more than 10,000. So write 15,250. Okay children, so copy it in your notebook, in your book, okay, by using pencil. And see the next one. The price of the LPG cylinder is rupees 975. Okay, 975. So it's a 3-digit number, right? So that it is less than 10,000. Okay, less than 10,000 because 10,000 is a 5-digit number, is it children? So that it is less than 10,000. So that we can write here. Okay, so 975. Okay, and then see the next one. The price of a wooden cot is, okay, next one, the price of the wooden cot is, see, we are having 30,000. Okay, so 30,000. So if you are comparing 30,000 and 10,000, which is greater? 30,000 and 10,000. So which is greater? 30,000 or 10,000? See the 10,000's place. Here we are having 3 and here we are having 1. So it is 30,000 is greater, is it children? So that we can write it is more than 10,000. Okay, more than 10,000. So 30,000. Okay children. So write it neatly. And see the next one. The price of a car is, rupees, see, so say the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so price of a car is 4,50,000. Okay, 4,50,000 means, see, 10,000 it is a 5-digit number, but 4,50,000 is 6-digit number. So that we can easily write it is a, so just draw a line and write here. Okay, so 4,50,000. Okay children. Okay, and then see the next one. The price of a bicycle is rupees 5,250. So it's a 4-digit number. Okay, but 10,000 it is a 5-digit number. So it is less than 10,000. So children, so that we can write very easily 5,250. Okay, and then next one. The price of a pencil is rupees 115. So it's a 3-digit number. It is less than 10,000. So that we can write very easily 115 is less than 10,000. Okay children. So copy it in your book nicely. Okay, so after completing this, take page number 26 in your book. Okay, take page number 26. So see page number 26. At the top, we are having activity 1, right? So have you all taken page number 26, children? So activity 1. So read the heading. Skip count in tens and complete the table. Okay, skip count in tens and complete the table. So see the place value. Here it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay, so 10,010 is given. 10,010, 10,020, 10,030, 10,040, 10,050, 10,060, 10,070, 10,080, 10,090, 10,100. Okay, so we can continue. Okay, so 10,000 and 10,100 here. Okay, so 10,110, 10,120. Okay, 10,120. Okay, and then 10,130, 10,140, 10,150. Okay, say and write, children. 10,150, and then 10,160, and then 10,170, and 10,180, 10,190, and then 10,200. Okay, children. So complete it. And then next one, 10,210. So 10,220, 10,230, 10,240, 10,250, 10,260, 10,270, 10,280. Okay, and then 10,290, and 10,300. Okay, 10,300. Okay, children. So likewise, you are going to complete this activity. Okay, children, this is your remaining, all these boxes are your homework. Okay, children. So let us see exercise 1.1, which is in the same place, same page. Exercise 2.1. So note that as your homework. Okay, children. So this is your homework. So do it properly. Okay, children. And then see page number exercise 2.1. So fill in the blanks. So say the place value for this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay, so 10,000, 101, 10,000, 102, 10,000, 103. So how will you complete this? 10,000, 104. Okay, 10,000, 105. And then 10,106, and then 10,107. Okay, children. So write it neatly, and then see the next one. See, say the place value: ones. It is in the place of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, so 10,220. Okay, and then 10,230, and then 10,240, and then 10,250. So after that, so 10,260, and at the last 10,270. Okay, children. So write it neatly. And see the next one, see. So 10920, right? Say the place value for the 0. So it's ones. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, so 10,920. Okay, and see, and again here we are having a number. So it's also a 10,960. Okay, so that we can write here 10,930. Okay, 10,930. Okay, and then so 10,940 and 10,950, 10,960, and at the last 10,970. Okay, children. And then the last one, D question. Say the place value. Okay, so 11101 is the first number, right? So say the place value 1, it's ones place. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay, children. So it is 10,000's place. Okay, so 11,101. Okay, 11,101. The next one 11,102. And then 11,103. And then 11,104. Okay, and then 11,105. And the next one 11,106. Okay, at the last 11,107. Okay, children. So copy it neatly. Children, have you all completed? Okay, let us learn the next one. Okay. The next topic we are going to learn is about the greatest and smallest numbers. Okay, children. So, do you know which is the greatest one-digit number? Which is the greatest one-digit number? The greatest one-digit number is 9. Okay, children. So, the greatest one-digit number is 9. Okay, children. So, if you add plus 1 with this greatest one-digit number, what will you get? You will get 10, right? So, 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Okay, children. So, 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Okay. And which is the greatest two-digit number? 99. Okay, 99. 99 is the greatest two-digit number. Okay. And if you are adding plus 1 with this, so what will you get? 99 plus 1, 100. Okay, 100. So, 100 is the smallest three-digit number. Okay, 100 is the smallest three-digit number. Okay, write the number name also. Okay, so it's 10 and it is 100. Okay, HUNDRED, 100. Okay, and then which is the greatest three-digit number? Greatest three-digit number is 999. Okay, 999. It is the greatest three-digit number. So, if you are adding plus 1 with this, okay, if you are adding plus 1 with this, what will you get? 1000. Okay, 1000. It is the smallest four-digit number. Okay, 1000. THOUSAND. 1000. It is the smallest four-digit number. Okay, children. And then, which is the greatest four-digit number? The greatest four-digit number is 9999. Okay, that is 9999. Okay, children, 9999. Okay, so if you are adding plus 1 with this, okay, what will you get? Plus 1 with this means, what will you get? You will get 10,000. Okay, 10,000. 10,000. Write the spelling for 10,000. TEN. 10. THOUSAND. Okay, 10,000. Okay, children. So, is it clear? So, if it is the smallest 5-digit number means that is 10,000. Okay, smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Okay, children, smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. And the greatest 5-digit number is, so 5 times 9. Okay, 5 times 9. So that it is 99,999. Okay, 99,999. 999. Okay, so if you are adding plus 1 with this, what will you get? If you are adding plus 1 means that is lakhs. Okay, it is 1 lakh. Okay, so write the spelling lakh, LAKH. Okay, lakh. Okay, children. So which is the greatest 5-digit number? 99999. Okay, 5 times 9, that is 99,999. Okay, if you are adding plus 1 with that means what will you get? We will get 1 lakh. Okay, so 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. Okay, it is the smallest 6-digit number. Okay, children. And then which is the greatest 6-digit number? We need to put 6 times 9. Okay, 6 times 9. Okay, children. So if you are putting 6 times 9 means that is the greatest 6-digit number. Okay, so if you are adding plus 1 with that, what will you get? If you are adding plus 1 with the greatest 6-digit number means that is 10 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs. Write the spelling TEN, 10, LAKHS. Okay, 10 lakhs is the smallest 7-digit number. Okay, 10 lakhs is the smallest 7-digit number. Okay, children. So which is the greatest 7-digit number? Greatest 7-digit number? So we need to put 9 times, greatest 7-digit number. Okay, 7 times 9. Okay, 7 times 9. So how will you read? How will you spell this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so 99 lakhs, 99,999. Okay, so which is the greatest 7-digit number? 99 lakhs, 99,999. It is the greatest 7-digit number. Okay, children. So if you are adding plus 1 with that, what will you get? We will get crore. Okay, crore. That is, crore means how many digits? 8 digit. Okay, crore is the 8 digit, smallest 8 digit number. Okay, so the smallest 8 digit number is crore. Okay, so what is the spelling for crore? CRORE. Okay, it is the smallest 8 digit number. Okay, children, is it clear? So smallest 8 digit number is crore. Okay, it is 8 digit. Smallest 8 digit number is crore. Okay, the smallest 7 digit number is 10 lakhs. Okay, the smallest 6 digit number is lakh. Smallest 5 digit number is 10,000. Okay, 4 digit number 1000. 3 digit number 100. Okay, 2 digit number 10. Okay, so which is the greatest 7-digit number? 99 lakhs, 99,999. Okay, children. So which is the greatest 6-digit number? 9 lakhs, 99,999. Okay, children. So is it clear? So let us do the exercise in your book. Okay. Children, take your book, page number 27. Children, have you all taken page number 27? So in that we are going to do this one, okay, crore in many ways, okay. So this activity 2 is your homework, okay, activity 2 is your homework, okay. So note that as a homework, okay. So we are going to do this crore in many ways, okay. Children, have you all taken? So this is crore in many ways, okay. So let us find. So crore means how many digits it have? 8 digit, right? So see, count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. A crore is an 8 digit number, okay children. So we are going to find how many thousands this crore have, how many lakhs, how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones, how many 10 lakhs, how many 10,000s. Likewise we are going to find, okay children. So let us find, okay. So in that, first let us find how many thousands does a crore have, okay. So crore means that is an 8 digit number, we know, right. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So it is a crore, right. So we are going to find how many thousands does this crore have, okay. So for that we are going to divide 1000, okay. So 1000 means it is a 4 digit number, right. It is a 4 digit number, okay. So let us do, okay. So we can simplify this, okay. We can cut the zeros in the denominator as well as in the numerator. So here we are having 3 zeros, okay. So strike out the 3 zeros, and in crore also we can strike out 3 zeros, okay. So what we are having? We are having, so just count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1 and then 4 zeros, just write 1 and then 4 zeros, okay. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, okay. So 10,000 times thousands, okay children. So we can write the answer 10,000 times 1000. So we can write the answer as 10,000 times 1000, okay. Just complete it, okay. And then let us find how many lakhs does the crore have, okay. How many lakhs does the crore have? So let us find. So we know a lakh is a 6 digit number, right. Smallest 6 digit number, is it children? So we are going to find how many lakhs does a crore have, okay. So lakh means it is a 6 digit number, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 6 digit number, okay. Let us strike out all the zeros in numerator as well as in the denominator, see. So that is the top and the bottom, okay. Just strike out the zeros in the top and then bottom, okay children. So how many zeros we are having? 5 zeros, right. Just strike out the 5 zeros. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay, 5 zeros. And here also just strike out the 5 zeros, okay children. So what is the answer we are having? We got 100, okay. So 100 lakhs, okay. In a crore we are having 100 lakhs, okay. So fill that in your book also. So 100 lakh, okay children. So let us find how many hundreds a crore have, okay. How many hundreds, okay. Let us find. So see, it is a crore and we are going to find how many hundreds is it. So that I just put divided by 100, okay. So we are going to strike out all the zeros, okay. So here 2 zeros, so that in the top, okay, in the numerator also we need to strike out 2 zeros, okay. So 2 zeros means these two. So just count the zeros and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 5 zeros, okay. So 1 and then 5 0. Okay children, so that hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, okay, 1 lakh 100, okay. So you can write this answer in your book. So 1 lakh 100, okay. So how many zeros? 5 zeros, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay. So totally 5 zeros. So 1 lakh hundreds, okay children. So let us find how many tens does this crore have. Okay, how many tens? So we are going to find how many tens a crore have. Okay, so in tens we are having only 1 0, right? So that strike out that 0, and here also we are going to strike only 1 0. So that count the zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so totally 6 zeros. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 zeros. Just now it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so 10 lakh tens. Okay, children, so 10 lakh tens. Write the answer in your book. So write the answer. How many zeros? 6 zeros, right? So 10 lakh tens. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so totally 6 zeros. So 10 lakh tens. Okay, children. And then let us find how many ones are there in 1 crore. Okay, how many ones? How will you find how many ones? Ones means you will not cut anything, right? So that you will get the same crore. Okay, so 1 crore. Write the same here. Okay, as like here. Just write the same. So how many digits a crore have? 8 digits, right? 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 digits. Okay, so a crore times ones. Okay, crore times ones. So write the answer as like this. Children, can you all understood? Ones means, for tens means we need to divide by 10. Hundreds means we need to divide by 100. But ones means we need to divide by 1, right? If we are dividing 1 means there will be no change in the answer, right? So that crore ones. Okay, crore times ones. Okay, children. And then let us find how many times 10 lakhs. Okay, does a 10 lakhs have crore? Okay. So that how will you find? We need to divide crore upon 10 lakhs. Okay, let us find. So we are going to find how many 10 lakhs does the crore have. Okay, so crore, it is an 8 digit, smallest 8 digit number. Okay, children, so 10 lakhs means, so how many digits does the 10 lakhs have? 7 digit number. Okay, smallest 7 digit number is 10 lakhs. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, children, it is 10 lakhs. Okay, so let us strike out the zeros. So how many zeros we are having? 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? 4 5 6. So just strike out all the 6 digits. 0, strike out 6. Okay, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, strike out all the zeros. So what will you get? 10, right? So 10 lakhs, that is the answer. Okay, you can copy the answer in your book. So what is the answer? 10 lakhs. Okay, 10. Just put 10. Okay, and then 10,000. We are going to find how many 10,000s does a crore have. Okay, let us find. So we are going to find how many 10,000 does a crore have. So crore is the smallest 8 digit number. Okay, smallest 8 digit number. Okay, let us find how many 10,000 does a crore have. Okay, so 10,000 means how many digits? 5 digits, right? So 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, so how many zeros we are having? 4 zeros. Okay, strike out the 4 zeros. 4 zeros, and here 4 zeros. So how many zeros we are having? 1 2 3 4. Sorry, 3 zeros. Okay, so 1,000. Okay, 1,000 times 10,000. Okay, we are having 1,000 times 10,000 in a crore. Okay, children, so let us do this in your book. So 1,000. Okay, 1,000 times 10,000. Okay, children, so complete this in your book. Children, have you all completed? Okay, and today's homework, what is the homework I had given? So this is your homework. Okay, note this as your homework. Okay, in the previous, this one, in crore in many ways, we had find that In crore, how many thousands, how many lakhs, likewise we had found out, right? But here, lakhs in many ways, okay? We are going to find lakhs, okay? In tens, how many lakhs are there, okay? In 10,000, how many lakhs are there? Likewise, we are going to find, okay children? இப்போ நம்ம crore எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சோமோ அதே மாதிரியே we are going to find for lakhs, okay? That is your homework. And then the activity, this activity we need to complete this as your homework, okay children? So do it properly. Okay, thank you.